In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 8.6, which is the fabulous. A set of FAQs is now displayed on the screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Room category 1. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, all guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and booking policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. Subscribe our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.